EX, LX, AMG, TRD, F Sport, the list goes on. These are typically going to be called your trim packages. Mike, why is it so important for us to understand the trim packages that a vehicle has?
As a repair planner who's writing a repair plan on a vehicle that's going to require work at your facility, it's important we identify the trim level of the vehicle in order to select the proper part in the estimating system. Now, while some estimating systems will give you some data, but it's kind of limited as far as what the options are in a vehicle, it's really important that we validate what the trim level it is by verifying the build data. So how do we get access to the build data? Number one is we can use the OEM manufacturer specific website. Another option is if you're using an OEM manufacturer's OEM specific scan or diagnostic tool. And the third is you can call your local parts department and they'll decode the VIN to give you the trim level. So again, it's important to identify the trim level so we can select the right part in the estimating system so that we can have an accurate repair plan to repair the vehicle in a safe and timely manner.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.